Today we have a luxury haul. I have been shopping this year and my husband has been gifting this year. I actually filmed this video before and then my SD card corrupted and I lost all the footage. But since I filmed it, I have a few more pieces, so I just thought I'd refilm it again and show you everything that I've picked up and got this year. I've got some really cute pieces, but let's just get straight into it. I'm going to start with the smaller brands which I've like randomly picked up. I'll start with Tory Burch. So I went to Tory Burch in LA. There was like an outlet and I went in and I got some bags. I had really good deals. So I haven't got like a white creamish bag, so I just picked up this cute little bag from Tory Burch, the outlet. I can't remember the price, maybe like $200, which I think was so good for this leather bag. It's got this handle at the top and then it's also got a crossbody strap, I'm pretty sure. And then it's got a little leather strap as well if I wanted to wear it across the body. I just thought this would be a cute daytime bag or like a casual dinner bag that I can wear because, like I said, I don't have any bags this colour in leather, and yeah, I just really liked it, so I picked this one up. I don't think I haven't got anything from Tory Burch before these. I know they do really good loafers, but yeah, I really liked these. Also from Tory Burch, I picked up this bum bag from the outlet. I just thought it's this black leather. Really nice. I feel like their leather quality is so nice. I just thought this would be good for like travel, for holiday, when I'm exploring, on my honeymoon. I feel like this would be good to wear. It's got a pocket at the back and then you just open it and it's quite spacious. I'm not sure, I don't really like the strap, to be honest. It's not my fave. It's kind of like a rucksack strap, but it's fine. Yeah, I really like the size. I feel like I could fit a lot of things. I can kind of fit across the body as well. Next up, we have Coach. I just love Coach. I really just love Coach. I think the leather is amazing and I feel like they have so many timeless bags, such good casual bags that you just can't go wrong with Coach. This vanity bag from Coach, I like that it was just all black leather, really nice. I actually want the Louis Vuitton one, but you know what? This will do for now. I feel like I bought this that I could put like skincare and stuff for travel. I thought it would be quite good. I use the Space NK clear bags for like my makeup and stuff, so I feel like this would be good for my skincare. It's quite spacious and super sturdy. And then I got another little Coach bag. This is called the Coach Trail bag. I just thought this would be a cute little everyday casual bag for like errands and stuff. I really like the shape. I saw it online, I was like, oh, I like that, that's cute. It's got this handle on the top and then a strap for across the body as well. I feel like it can fit quite a few things. It's got like a kind of bronzy, goldy zip, and then yeah, it's got quite a bit of space in there. I'm pretty sure they had it in other colours as well, but I just really like the black, so I just picked that up. I'm trying to think which order to do this in. I think I'm going to go by brand. So next is Hermes. I picked these up in Turkey. I went to Bodrum with my sister. We had a cute little sister trip. Check it out. So yeah, I was able to pick these up. They had a store there. The price was really good. The exchange was so good. It was cheaper to buy there. And then also we were able to get a VAT tax receipt at the airport after as well. So I feel like it was a no-brainer. So yeah, I just picked up the black, I think it's noir, and now I have the ultimate trio. So I have the white, the black and the brown. I will be launching these on my honeymoon, which is coming up soon, but yeah, I just feel like they're classic. A lot of people don't find them comfortable, but I feel like after I wear them in, I always go half a size up or a full size up, and yeah, they fit really nicely, they're comfortable. So now I have all the neutral tone colours and I can start going into the pinks and the brights and the oranges next year. Also from Hermes, another sandal. I got the Chipbrays. My husband, I think, gifted them to me for my birthday. Yeah, for my birthday. So I just got the classic black. Again, I'll be launching these in my honeymoon. I need to wear them in. I feel like I need to put some socks on and start wearing them around the house before I get my feet all cut up. But yeah, I really like the kind of brown colours, but I just went with black because I felt like I'd get the most wear out of these. I think I got my actual size in these, but yeah, they fit fine. Also on my sister trip to Bodrum, I picked up these Loewe sandals. Now these were not cheaper. I made a mistake here. It ended up being way more expensive than the UK. but I only realised till after, and I was like, oh well, I've got them now. The petal anagram sandals, these are so comfortable, way more comfortable than the Oran sandals, but this leather part is so soft, really, really comfortable. I mean, they're still a flat shoe, so I feel like over time, like, your feet will hurt. This situation, it's possible that toes could be cut up, it's possible, but I think after you wear them in, I'm sure they'll be fine. So far I've worn them short periods, not too much walking, and they've been really, really comfortable. But yeah, I thought I would add a different style sandal to the mix. They also have really nice colours of these, which I have my eye on as well, but again, I just thought classic black, because before this year, with the Hermes and with the Oran sandals and these, I didn't have any black sandals, so it was about time I got some blacks. We have a Louis Vuitton. I have wanted this bag for so long. So long. It's a Speedy. Oh, I have worn this so many times. I love it. I'm obsessed. I want all the sizes, to be honest. This is the Speedy 20 monogram canvas. I want the 25 and maybe even the 30, but you know what? This actually fits a lot. A lot. I wanted the nano, but then I changed my mind, and I'm glad that it was this I wanted, because I feel like this just fits a lot more. I ended up actually purchasing this strap separately because it didn't come with this strap, and I'm so happy that I did. This is the strap that it comes with, and sorry, this just makes, I just feel like this makes it look childish on me personally. Like, I'm not feeling it. I think it makes it look, it's a casual bag anyway, but it just makes it look way more casual, childlike. On me. I know some people might like it, but I just think this strap is for sure not for me, so I purchased this strap to have, and I'm really happy. And then obviously you have the handles here to hold as well. I'm obsessed, and I love it so much. I will get so much wear out of this. And then I've got my eye on maybe the 25 or 30 next, but yeah, I love. Next we have Gucci. I think Gucci has been my favourite brand this year for summer pieces. I've really seen a lot of cute things. I went to Ibiza this summer and I picked up 2 cute summery bags, which again I'm going to launch on this said honeymoon that I keep going on about. So the first cute bag is this GG leather trim clutch bag. I just thought this would be super cute on holiday. It's giving beach vibes, it's giving pool vibes, very casual, plain outfit, and then this like monogram bag. Again, I feel like it will fit quite a few bits. I mean, there's not much I'll be putting in here anyway, like my little lip gloss, maybe a little camera, my phone. But yeah, I really liked this collection, and I got this in the brown. And then I also picked up another bag. I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I picked up both. And I picked up this cute bucket bag in the same range, but I picked this up in the black. Again, casual bag for holiday, crossbody, and then it also has a little strap to hold. I really like this kind of bucket bag style. How do I open it? And then it's just got like little pouch inside where you actually put your stuff. I really like this collection. They also had a few other styles of the bag, but I think I like both of these the most, and I'm glad that I got a kind of brown and a black, so got a bit of everything. I've got some options, a bit of choice. The last Gucci item is some shoes. Picked up some Gucci mules. I am obsessed. So I picked them up in the GG monogram leather. These are so cute. It's obviously the end of summer now, but it's kind of still warm outside. It's still sunny, so I could still rock these. I'm still gonna rock them. So the leather is so soft. We've got the gold horsebit detail, and these are so comfortable. First saw them in LA, but they didn't have my size, and then the sales associate said they were only available in Heathrow in the UK, but my husband managed to get them for me, which thank you. So grateful. But yeah, I love them, and I I can wear these a little bit before it gets really cold, but I can also take them away. But yeah, they're really comfortable. I also bought the full shoe last year and they're so comfortable. I wear them a lot, and I went up half a size as well, and they fit really well because I feel like your foot needs to go all the way in the front section. But yeah, I was really happy with these. Next we have Burberry. I actually picked this up last week or a couple of weeks ago. Their new autumn winter range. I picked up this really cute scarf. I saw it. Oh, that is so. Do you know, it actually came up as an ad on my phone. I was like, oh, I like that. And then I went to the store and I was like, you know what? I actually really like that. Burberry logo scarf. It's reversible. So we have the white side and then this kind of beige side. I wear a lot of brown. I'm obsessed with brown, so I thought like something like this over the top of my cute brown outfit. I love, love, love. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of this and it'll go with a lot of my outfits. It is made from alpaca wool and it's actually really, really thick. But yeah, I like that I can wear it both sides. I think this is new season. I think they had other colours and then they just added this colour recently. They also have this baby blue, similar to the colour of this top actually. I loved the blue, but I thought I'd get more wear out of this. I just really liked it. It's so cute. Last but certainly not least, we have Goyard. This was a gift from my husband for our wedding anniversary. It's actually a funny story, so you can only buy it in store. Bless him, he went in store and the choices that he made, well, not to my taste, let's say. The items that he bought was a man's wallet. Don't know how we got here. When we went back, we had a lovely female sales associate and she was so lovely and she was like, you were served by a man, weren't you? He's usually really good at gifts, but yeah. So I went back to exchange, so let me know what I got. So the first thing I got was this Anjo mini bag. I'm pretty sure they do a bigger size, but I really, really liked the size of this. I feel like I can fit more than enough things in this bag. It's also reversible. I picked the navy blue and brown colourway because I feel like I'd get a lot more wear out of this. It'll go with a lot more of my outfits. It's super casual daytime bag, kind of tote, so I thought I'd wear it more with this colour. So yeah, the reversible side is just blue on the inside. So if I'm not feeling too patterny, I can just swap it to the navy blue. But yeah, I thought this was such a cute bag, and then it comes with a little attachable purse inside, which I think is perfect for like my cards and stuff. And then I picked up this little plummet pouch wallet instead of the man's wallet. I'll actually put a picture of the original item, bless him. But yeah, I thought this was better suited. So it's kind of, they call it a wallet, but it's got a strap, I'm pretty sure, yeah. It's got a strap and I'll just wear it as a daytime across the body bag. I've just put my little bits in, so like again, like cards, phone. Got 3 sections, so it actually is quite spacious and it'll fit quite a few things. Absolutely love the blue colourway, but I just thought I'd go bold up with a smaller bag so that I could just wear like all black and then like the little across the body bag in blue. But yeah, this is so cute. But yeah, I really do think it's quite spacious. It'll fit quite a few bits, and it's got a zip section in the middle as well. And that is everything in my collective luxury haul. Hopefully I've given you some inspo of gifts to ask for or to buy for yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!